Hi, today we are going to learn about electricity. To begin, let's see the importance of electricity. And what will happen if there is no electricity?
I make the room bright. I save the foods from spoiling. I make people happy. We need electricity to do all this. Do you know what will happen if there is no electricity?
It is so dark. We cannot see anything. What is the bad smell? Oh. All the foods spoil. So boring. I cannot see any show. Do you realize now, how important is electricity in our daily life?
Have you ever wondered, how electricity is discovered? Stay tuned with us. To begin with, let's see the scientist who makes contribution to the discovery of the electricity.
Firstly, William Gilbert. He born on May 24, 1544. He is known as the father of electricity, as the first person to clearly distinguish between magnetic and electrical forces. And he also comes up with the term electricity, meaning like amber in Latin words. He invented the first electroscope known as versorium, to measure the electric charge. Versorium means turn around in Latin words. The needle turns to point at a nearby charged object, due to charges induced in the ends of the needle by the external charge.
Next, the scientist who makes an important finding about electricity, is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin, born in January 17, 1706. He discovered that lightning is a form of electricity, an important finding in the field of electricity. He conducted an experiment called, Kite in a Thunderstorm, by preparing and flying his own made kite during thunderstorm.
He prepared a silk kite and attached a wire string to the kite to act as an electric rod. At the end of the wire string, he attached another hem string, to conduct or transfer an electrical charge quickly. Next, he attached a silk string to the hem string, to protect himself from electric shock. The silk string was held by him. Finally, he attached a metal key to the hem string. With the help of his son, he flies the kite on a raining day with lightning and thunderstorm. After some time, he touched the key with his finger. He felt a spark when he touched the key. From the experiment, he proposed that lightning is a natural electric source, and electricity can flow/move in one direction. His finding is a stepping stone for the creation of light bulbs.
Finally, Thomas Edison. I believe everyone knows who is Thomas Edison, right? Thomas Edison, born 11th of February 1847. He was the first person who invented and made long-lasting light bulb.
We have learned about the scientist. Do you know there are two types of electricity? Static electricity, also known as electrostatic, is a type of electricity that does not move, while dynamic electricity is a type of electricity that can flow in one direction. For example, the electric that we use in our daily life to switch on the lights, refrigerators or televisions. Do you know, you can create static electricity? Stay tuned, Meshnee will show you the way. Materials that we need: spoon, pepper and salt. Let's watch the video, to see how Meshnee creates static electricity to separate the pepper and salt.
There are few sources where we are getting the electricity from. Some are from non-renewable sources, for example natural gas, coal, and nuclear energy. And we are also getting electricity from renewable sources such as wind, solar power, biomass, hydropower, and geothermal.
Hope you understand now. Remember to switch off when not in use.